I will introduce myself. My name is Yulianti. I am 37 years old. My date of birth 21 July 1987. My weight 77 kg. My height 157 cm. I come from Subang of Indonesia. I have one brother and me, number one in my family. I'm married, I'm Muslim, I have 4 children. My last education is junior high school. I have experience before Jakarta 7 years. My job, take care children, clean the house, washing and iron clothes. I can handle frog, but I cannot eat frog. I'm not afraid of dog. I can speak English, but still learning. I can cook Indonesian food. Example, ayam goreng, nasi goreng, and tempe orek. I can cook Chinese food. Example, steamed egg, steamed fish, and chicken soup. I want to go to Singapore because I need money for me and for my family. I promise Bihanis will be good to my job. Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, sir. See you in Singapore. Bye-bye.